Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Don't forget, anywhere you see our video, try to share to your friends because they are lovely. And if you have not subscribed, make sure you press on your subscribe button. It's very important. Make sure you press on your subscribe button. It's very, very important. In this platform, we have on this channel we have over 300 videos presently. It means you can come here and watch any video of your choice, any topic that are available for you to use. Now, in this video, I want to be walking you on this question. I want to explain this question. A question was passed to me from one of our students. We have done something on statistics. We have done something on cumulative frequency. We have done something on cumulative frequency graph. We have done quartile range and semi-interquartile range. We have done those things, median. We have done it. But a question was passed, which I need to explain it to everybody, so that, or just in case. Okay, the question says, the following scores the distribution of a score obtained by some SS2 students in a mathematics buckle-up test. Now, this is the what? This is the class interval. This is what? Frequency. This is called class interval. This is called frequency. Can you see? It is 21 to 30, 31 to 40, and so on to 100. Now, it means an interval is taken. Now, frequency, the number of appearance, number of those that appear on it, which is 2, 6, and so on and so forth. Now, I've told you that we have group and non-group data. Now, this one, at this point, just like we have grouped it. Now, the question was now asked, construct a cumulative frequency table for the distribution, which is this. Draw your cumulative frequency curve for the distribution, that is this, and from your graph, estimate the first one, median, number 2, interquartile range, and pass mark if 70% of the students passed. If the 70% of the students passed. Now, that is what I have for you. Please make sure I have my own question, which is written here. Please make sure you have this presently. I have to rub it off so that and also if you want to contribute to our platform, we are there for you. You can call us and we're going to send a phone number to you. Now, it's time to approach the question. Oh, I don't need to rub the table. Now, the table, let me recap the table. The table says that we have a class interval. Now, don't mind my hand. And we have frequency. I just abbreviate it. Now, this is class interval 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 90, 91 to 100. Now, we have it as 2, we have this as 6, we have this as 7, we have this as 10, we have this as 11, we have this as 9, we have this one as 4, and this one is 1. Now, the first thing I will do, I want to achieve my what? Construct a cumulative frequency table for the distribution. Cumulative frequency table. It means I must achieve my what? Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. My cumulative frequency is always like the cumulative frequency. You can write it in full anyhow you want it. It means what I will just do, the first number will be repeated, which is 2. This plus this, it will be 8. This plus this, 8 plus this, that will be 15. 15 plus 10, that will be 25. And 25 plus 11, that will be 36. 36 plus 9, that will be 45. 45 plus 4, that will be 49, and this one will be what? 50. It means summation of my my frequency, sum of the frequency is 50. When you sum the frequency up, it's 50. Please take note of that. Very important. Now, that is the best thing. It means construct a table, construct cumulative frequency table for the distribution, which I've done that. That one is what? Number 1A. I mean, this is A of the question, which is solved. A of the question has been solved. Now, B part of the question, which you are asked to B part of the question, draw a cumulative frequency curve for the distribution. Now, this is B. This is A. I'm sorry, I'm supposed to do this on a graph board. Sorry, I have to sketch it here because of this is not a graph. But take note, I will make sure I explain it very well. Okay. Okay, now, if I to have it, for me to have a good line, perfect line, let me have it like this. Now, this is our number question. A has been solved. Let's go to the B. I want to plot my graph. Now, if I am to plot my graph, I'll plot cumulative frequency with a score. Cumulative frequency with a score. Now, it means this is my cumulative frequency. This is my what? My score. These are my score. Now, it means my scores start from 30, and I will now use the upper class interval. Upper class interval is what I'm going to use for my what? Upper part, which is the axis, vertical axis. Now, my vertical axis will now be what? Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. One, which I will have it. This is supposed to be in a graph board, but you can manage here. Now, which I will, if your graph, you are working along with your graph, the first thing you do is you pick up a suitable scale. A very suitable scale. Now, I will now have it this way, and I will have it this way. Now, this will be my origin, which is my O. Now, I will now move it by having, we are talking about 30 on this. The first one will be 30. We are talking about 40. We're talking about, Now, this is cumulative frequency. Now, we have 2, we have, and so on and so forth. Okay, and the highest is 50. Okay, let me make it in 10, 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. It means 50 is the highest, lowest is 10. Now, with the help of the scale, you will know what to do if you have a problem with that. Now, the second thing is this will be my cumulative frequency, and this one will now be my score. This will be my score. What are the score? We have 30. We have 30. We have 40. We have 50. We have 60. And we have 70, 80, 90, and 100. These are my scores, which is, make sure you put this there, indicator, just to indicate what you are doing. Very, very important. Now, it's time to plot my what? Cumulative frequency. Some people call it Ogive. Some people call it Ogive, which is, you call it Ogive like this. Ogive is possible, or cumulative frequency. Now, it's time to plot the graph. The graph of this, when is 2, this is 2, this is the 30. Now, it means 2 will be somewhere here. 1, 1, 2. Let me just, I'm sketching, story from abbreviation. I'm sketching. It means I'll have it here. Now, when is 40 is in 8. When is 40 is in 8. Now, that is my word, 40. It's not up to, let me just put this, and yes. Now, when is in 50 is in 15. 50 is in 15. It means 50 That is 15 halfway between. Now, please, you have to do this on your graph. You have to do this on your graph. And when you are when you are in 50, okay, now we are now on 50. When we are in 60 is in 60 is in 25. 60 is in 25. It means this is a 25 and 60. Now this should be on inside your graph. Please take note of that. Inside of graph. When you are in 70 is in 36. 36. 35, 36. That is 70. Now, when you are in 80 is in 45. 80 is in 45. It means I'm talking about 45 here, halfway. And with the help of your graph, this will be very easy to locate without no problem. I'm just sketching here for you to understand it anyway. Now, when I'm in 90 is in 49. 90 is in 49. It means this is going to be 49 and 90. Now, when I'm in 50 is in when I'm in 100 is in 50. Now, it means 150. Now, okay, I have it already. I have it already. Now, it means perfectly done. If I want to do it very well, it's good to rub this up. It's good to rub it. I just need the points. I need the points. Now, that is what I need. I have to rub this part off. Rubbed up, rubbed up, rubbed up, rubbed up. Okay. Now, with this, I have my what? Cumulative frequency. Now, it means this should be my curve. This will be my curve. That is my curve. It means with this, you are done with what? Question number B. You have plot your what? Cumulative frequency, which is, you have plot your what? Draw the cumulative frequency curve for the distribution. It means you have drawn it successfully without no problem. Now, the next question is number C. Permit me to rub this part off. Permit me to rub this part off. Sorry for that. Oh, I had to rub this side up. Now, I was talking about C. Please, you can take note of this as we are moving. Now, the last one, the other part of it, we're talking about what? We are talking about the first one, we are looking for the mean. We are looking for mean. Median, rather. Median. Now, when we have to look for median, my median is always found this way. Now, the median is the mark or score that corresponds to the middle mark or halfway up of the cumulative frequency. Halfway up of the frequency. Now, what is the halfway up of the cumulative frequency? Now, my halfway of the cumulative frequency, it means I will have what? This 50. That will be what? 50. This is halfway of cumulative frequency. Now, it means 50 divided by 2, which is going to be what? 25. Now, 25, where is my 25? 25 will be somewhere here. Now, 25 will be somewhere here. Now, which is going to be here. Well, this is produced by 25, which I'll be having it in terms of this. Now, without this, with your graph, you have it perfect. It means in terms of position. Now, it means in terms of position, it will be your median will be what? 61. Will be 61. Where it came out from, that is 61. That is, now, what you are having here is just call it median. Please, median is here. Median is here. Where the number come out, this just like location. Why this one is the what? The position we are referring to. Now, the third is first one. The second one, we are asked to find number 1. C1, which is C and I. You are asked to find the interquartile range. Now, interquartile range, now which is C2, we have the interquartile range. Now, it means my interquartile range, which I can call it Q, equals to Q3 minus Q1. Q3 minus Q1. Now, the only thing is, I must to find my Q3 and also find my Q1. Whatever I get, I will subtract the two together and have my what? Interquartile range. It means my Q3 equals to 3 all over 4 of n plus 1. N plus 1. What is my n? My n is 50, which is the 50, the cumulative frequency, the total of the frequency, which is going to be 51, which I was talking about. This is going to be the position item. Now, it means I'll be talking about okay, what I'm going to be talking about, it will be 4 multiplied by 51, which is going to be 38.25 position item. Now, which is going to be this is going to be item. Now, I will now come here to locate my Q3. Now, 38.5. This is going to be 38.5. You will now come it and draw it down like this. Now, 0.5. Now, which it will come down to somewhere, which it will come down to another place, which is going to be it will be like this, it will be like this. Now, which it will be 70. Now, whatever you have here, we call it Q3. Anytime, any number value you have there, that's your Q3, which I assume to be what? My Q3 will be 73, which is from the graph, which I have the graph work here is 73. 73. Now, I will do the same thing for Q1. My Q1, it will be equals to 1 all over 2 bracket of n plus 1, which is my n is 50, which I'll be 51 51 divided by 2, which is I'll be having 50 over 4. I'm coming over 4, which I'll be having 12.75 in terms of position. Now, item, which I will be having it as now it will be Q1, whatever I have here, 12 points, which is 12.75, which it will be like this. This is 10, 11, 12.71, which I will draw it and also drop down wherever I have, which draw it down, which is going to be 46. Now, this one will be Q1, which is going to be 46. This is 46. This is 73. Now, it means I will now come in by having my interquartile range, which is my Q. It will be Q3 minus Q1, which it implies my Q3. That will be Q3. What's my Q3? 73 minus 46. Which I'll be having 73 minus 46, which is I'll be having 27. That is my answer. That is my 27. Now, that is question number I. The third one you are asked to find, which is I. You are asked to find. Sorry, permit me to rub this anyway. Please. Now, you are asked to find the position, which is going to be the number of students, okay, pass mark if 70 students of the student pass. If 70 students of the student pass. Now, if 70%, I want to write the question, of the student passed the test. Now, it means 30% failed. 30% failed were there for, I need to need to find only the 30% percentage on the cumulative frequency curve. Now, it means I'll be having P of what? 30% that fail, which I'll be having it as 30 divided by 100 multiplied by 50, which is the number. It means, let's quickly define this. What I mean there is that what? The number of failure, which is number of failed students, number of failed divided by what? 100, which is percentage, multiplied by total number of students. Total number of students. This is total number of students anyway, which is a total number of students. Okay, let's take note of that, which is what I have there. Now this we cancel this we cancel this. It means I'll be having 5 times 3, which is going to be 15. Now it will be 15. Now, okay, it will be 15. Okay, now it means we'll be talking about 15 items. That is all. Nice. Now it's good to go to your cumulative frequency, which is your Ogive graph, and try to locate this in your position. That is what I have for you. I think I've really explained this part very well. If you have any problem on this, just ask. Same ask is going to be answered. Once again, don't forget that you are on with further Solutions Academy. Encourage us to share anywhere you see our video, and subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, just press the subscribe button. We have over 250 videos on our platform. You can come here and learn any topic of your choice. Once again, thanks for watching.